I'm Axilia. I am from Jakarta, Indonesia, and I am an entrepreneur, and I have a villa in Canggu. I actually got an information of one people from my friends. My friend sent me 2 weeks ago that you guys are having a yoga class and also macrame class, and I actually applied for both. But yeah, and now I'm here. My impression about one people, I saw them in Instagram first, and I thought that they're like really sustainable and very comfortable and lux. It's like pretty luxe, I guess. Yeah, and it really got me really interested. So I'm really excited to go to the macrame class. The event is really nice. I've been wanting to go to a macrame workshop all this time, and you know, it's the COVID seasons. I have nothing to do at home, and this is the time to do it. Keep up the good job. Would really love to see what you guys have in store, like in the future.